आप बोलिए। हाँ, अभी तो मेन है।
Thank you, sir, for that melodious performance. Keeping the patriotic spirit alive, we now move towards a graceful classical presentation. We are proud to present a Bharatanatyam dance performance by Rima ma'am, who is one of our dedicated and talented teachers of our school. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest classical dance forms of India, originating from Tamil Nadu. It is known for its expressive facial expressions, rhythmic footwork and elegant hand gestures, beautifully portraying stories and emotions.
I would like to call upon Suranjan Das Gupta sir, the advocate, to felicitate the doctors over here. Please give a round of applause, everyone. Now this is a very unique scene. Everyone, please give a round of applause for welcoming our Dr. Mahesh Kumar Chaudhary. Sir, I remember your name, it's just that I was looking at the expression you had, that beautiful smile on your face. Everyone, and now please, sir, Dr. Rakhi ma'am, please. Very own Dr. Shahnaz Sultana. And I would like to have a group photo of the lawyers and the doctors together. So I would like to ask you to please say a few words on this occasion.
Before Dr. Mahesh Chaudhary takes on to the mic, I would just say the doctors are all there and we are lawyers. The other name of lawyers are proctors, you know. So if doctors are there, then the proctors can't be far away, right? And doctors and lawyers gives the best advice, legal and medical advice, isn't it? And
thank you for the great introduction by the principal Rui and our Suranjan. They are going to have a good debate, and that is really need of the time, because lot of legal issues in medical science, lot of the advice we used to have at times. So really good debater, and everybody knows Dr. Kunal Sarkar is a very good debater. And let us see what we can conclude from the debate. Today, I am really immense pleasure and privilege to celebrate the 77th Republic Day with you people who are the future of the country. Going back to our history, we know that we got the independence on 15 August 1947. But they just left. All are governed by the British rule till 26 January 1950. On that day, we have our own constitution. We call it a Republic Day. What does it mean, the Republic? Public means the general people, citizen of the people, and the elected person from that group will be the leader. The president will govern the country, and it is not the kingdom, not the monarch, which will lead the country. So that is the idea of our constitution. Mr. Suranjan is with me. We have the republic country on that day. We are the secular, socialist, government, and what not. And your justice depend on equality, justice, and equal justice to all and give the democracy and freedom of everything. And that is not the thing. Since that day, we have grown like anything. In every field, India has grown from, see the literacy at the time of independence. We have literacy rate is very, very low. But now the Kerala has shown the 100% literacy rate. Literacy, urbanization, industrialization, any field, be it ammunition, we have even the atomic power. We have IT and communication, and even we have the satellite system. We should not forget the gift to the other countries during the COVID. India gave lot of the COVID vaccine to all other countries to overcome the dreaded epidemic. So India is now becoming one of the great country all over the world. But that is not the end. We have to become better to best. We are still the developing country.
Everyone, the thunder of applause for the beautiful words by our chief guest. And now I would like Mrs. Rakhi ma'am to please say a few words.
Good morning everyone, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends and students. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the 77th Republic Day of India. On 26 January 1950, our country adopted its constitution and became a republic. This day reminds us of the importance of democracy and equality. We have to remember all the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our nation. People of different religions, languages and cultures live together in harmony.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are really, really honored and privileged that you have taken out your valuable time for the school, for the children, and we have no words to express our gratitude towards you. Now, we have the doctors and the lawyers. अगर किसी को कोई इलाज कराना है या किसी को कोई legal problem है, not today, but we can do it later. So, with a round of applause, I would again thank you all for being a part of this celebration. So, please take your seats. Please escort it. And now, as now we have the guests being seated, I would like all of you to enjoy the celebration of Republic Day as well as the Skill Bharat Award, which will be held very soon. Handing over to the
Thank you, sir and ma'am, for your kind words. Now let's put our hands together for our little champs.
A very good morning to our respected chairman, sir. Sir, we have a few words from everyone. We have a few words from our chairman, sir. Sir, please enlighten us with your thoughts on this special day. Please, everyone, welcome with a big round of applause. And we will call Dr. Suranjan, sir, for the felicitation for our chairman, sir.
यहाँ से कुछ देख लो चलो ना खुला ही होगा खुला सब मॉल तो खुला हुआ है बाबू को रख के जाए ना
Give a big round of applause.
सब है पहले आना आया तो मायने को सब नहीं बना है
Keep clapping.
We are all felicitating all of us, the chairman of this SK Foundation School, and you know, he's not only the chairman, but the evergreen chairman. Do you all agree? Yes, thank you. So, you know, he always works from behind. So the kingmakers always stay behind. So I can only say that.
Dearest Chairman, sir, Honorable Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, Rector Sir, and my dear students. On this proud occasion of Republic Day, when our nation celebrates the spirit of democracy and unity, we bring before you a beautiful pageantry show, showcasing the true soul of India, its diversity, culture, traditions, and togetherness.
India is not just a country, it's a vibrant blend of languages, food, festivals, dresses, and dances. Let us take you on a colorful journey across the incredible India. Presenting before you Bhasha Sangam, the view on languages of India.
Please welcome our
display of talent and patriotism. Music has always been a soul-stirring medium of expressing our feelings. Now we have a beautiful song by Heather Sir. Let's enjoy it.